dark and bright cave lies in the middle of the intersection area of Halong Bay and Lan Ha Bay. The cave consists of two different caverns. The dark cave is 70 meters long and has very little natural light. Unfortunately, it was closed. The bright cave is the one that we went through with tons of natural light pouring. This through the mountain. Cave is located on the water, so it can only be explored via kayaking or riding a rowboat. Passing through the cave, there is a sea valley surrounded by magnificent mountains that will undoubtedly impress you. Tourists can go to Halong City and choose Lan Ha Bay cruise to visit this beautiful cave. Enjoy the beauty of this cave.